It's the 30th of December, and this year, the city of Mindelo is offering its people 2 days of celebrations for the new year. I can feel the vibes this afternoon all the way from Galopin. They're doing the band's sound check. And later tonight, Wendy will accompany me into the city to celebrate like a proper Cape Verdean. The main street, Rua Lisboa, is packed and we couldn't quite see the bands, but the music was heard. And when there's music, we dance. Wendy and I just got back. She went home, took a cab, and New Year's Eve is tomorrow, and this was the pre-New Year's Eve, and it's almost 5 o'clock in the morning and the music is blasting. Listen to this, it's just loud, man, it's great. We had decided to go home early, so we could get up and enjoy the next day. I went to have a sneak peek in the afternoon.
This is where the magic happens here on New Year's night, at around midnight. This was also where it happened last night, until like 5 o'clock in the morning. So, the whole street is blocked off, and got some great artists coming, and right now they're doing sound check. I love sound check, and look, it's open to everybody. So let's go see this.
Here they're giving out prizes for an annual running race around Mindelo. And a little further, the sound pros were at work.
Love sound checks, man. It's really cool. Love it because the drummer has to sound check first, and drummers are my favorite instruments in the band. Sometimes they just jam out. Cool. Drummers are the best.
As well, sponsors were being hoisted with seemingly not a safety worry for the guys on the scaffolding. Hey, Cape Verdeans are badasses, as is this drummer.
Go drummers, man, you're the best.
By the way, my son is a drummer. When I was a kid, I wanted to play drums. I used to set up pots and pans and would bang it out when my parents weren't home. And when I was a little older, they asked me if I wanted to play an instrument. Drums, I said. They responded, that's not an instrument. I ended up playing trumpet in my high school marching band. I marched in the Rose Bowl parade on New Year's Day. That was the highlight of my musical career.
All right, this is sound check, man. And it's the rhythm section, my favorite. Bass and drums. Go, baby, go.
Yeah, let's not forget the guitar. Year's countdown is with the family here, with Alcinda, the matriarch.
I'm in Wendy's house for New Year's.
And once that was over, we ate with sisters Jessica and Luini.
Beautiful family, eh? Well, there's Eric. He's not as beautiful.
And Jessica's son, Johan. Everybody gets dressed up for the event. Even though we'll be dancing in the streets, we must respect tradition. We took a cab downtown. Wendy was wearing heels, but assured me she'd be fine because she said she's a warrior and a leader, as I happily followed her swaying form in the sea of people. There were plenty of spaces with more room and beer, like this spot we would go to for a break from the main street. The music there was just too good to miss, but we needed to refuel on beer, and song too. We had special Marina VIP treatment when needing the bathroom. Wendy was feeling her heels, but that would not stop us. Plus, we met friends like Lorian and Heidi. Daylight was upon us, baby. It's about 7 and there's one more act to play. So we went to find some more fuel to keep on dancing. And drinks are still being served. Then it was time to hear the main act, LG Beats Killer, one of Cape Verde's favorite artists. The streets under the rising sun are brimming with enthusiasm for the coming new year. It seems that here we are far from world problems, freezing cold and conflict. Everyone is here to see and hear LG. He's playing his most recent huge hit here in Cabo Verde. Hey, what can one say? Time for New Year's resolutions?
Nielsen up there on the mast. I had started to go up first, but he did not quite know how to work a winch, and I was halfway up there and he got tangled up. So I'm like, let me come down, and he had a little trouble letting me down and stuff, and then I had to talk him through, but he let me down. He's like, maybe it's better if I go up. I'm like, yeah, okay, fine. So now he's up there.
Hey, thanks for watching. These are our studios on Gadapan. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community. We've got a lot of cool extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos that I've taken, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories, which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron, Graham, started a WhatsApp chat aptly called Galapan's Cockpit. There we can talk about just about anything we want, uncensored. People from all over have joined. And it's this community that's contributing to this Living Adventure series. Woo, it's kind of windy here. Or you can watch for free on YouTube, but make sure you put a like or dislike, make a comment, and make your voice heard. And definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along and sailing with us on our winded voyage.